round 9, a chain, a single crochet, a front post single crochet around this cluster, front post single crochet, a single crochet into 3 chain space. Now we want to make a quadruple crochet in around this double crochet we had in round 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on the hook. We keep first crochet with hand, chain 1, triple crochet into this crochet we kept, a single crochet into 3 chain space, a front post single crochet around this, another single crochet into 3 chain space, another quadruple crochet behind of this picot we had in round 7, quadruple 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on the hook behind of this picot, we keep first crochet here, chain 1, a triple crochet into this crochet we kept, a single crochet into 3 chain space, another single crochet front post around this cluster, another single crochet into 3 chain space, and another quadruple crochet into this double crochet, we keep first crochet, 1 chain, a triple crochet here, a single crochet into 3 chain space. We continue this pattern until I finish this round and show you how to close this round. For finished round 9, last single crochet and slip stitch top of this front post single crochet we had before. You find it carefully and a slip stitch. Now round 9 is finished.